right, everyone, this is your boy Tokos Reviews. Today we're going to be doing a overall review of the Mavic 2 Fly More Combo Kit. Now, as you can see here, this comes with a few batteries and some accessories that you might or might not use. But we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of this, and then we're going to go ahead and talk a little bit about it to see if it's worth purchasing something like this for around $400. Or it's better off you buy individually, or you can buy used or new. I'll leave that definitely up to you. But right now we're going to focus on the unboxing, review, and then we're going to talk a little bit about this little thing here to see if it's worth it. Really, I'm being for real. Is it really worth it? I'll leave that up to you. So if you guys have any comments or any questions about this kit, go ahead and drop it down below. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you guys like content like this, go ahead and hit that like button. That will definitely further make me make more videos and content like this for you guys to view. So yes, check it out. So right now we're going to do the unboxing. Okay, so let's check it out. Get everything out. All right, so what comes in this box would be the instruction manual for the Fly More kit, as you can see there. What else comes in here? So you got this here, which I think you can use. This is very good. This is a car power adapter. This is a rapid charger, so it does charge pretty quick, which is good. This is faster than the standard one that you buy for your house. So that's a plus here. Okay. It does come with this little Mavic 2 strap, which is it's usable. So I'm going to leave that here in the front. The other stuff, okay, this right here, so this is the multi-charger. Now this is usable, but I do have some comments on this though. So this you can use. You just, I guess you flip it open like this. And the good thing about this is that it does charge 4 batteries. The bad thing, it doesn't charge all of them at once, so it goes in sequence. So if you put one battery here, one there, it'll charge depending on how you put it. So in that sense, it's probably better just to go with like 2 chargers, and in that way you can get away by charging 2 batteries at once pretty fast. But unless, for overnight, this will definitely come in handy if you're not flying your drone at night. So yeah, so that's one. That's another one. The other thing I do see here is the batteries. Now we all need battery, and this is a plus because for the price of this, you cannot beat it, guys. So this does come with 2 smart batteries, as you can see here. There you go. So that's a plus. You also got here, okay. So these are props. This is basically what it is here. Just show you guys. So these are the props that comes with it. Little extra propellers just in case. For the price, guys, I wish DJI would give you more than just like 4. They give you 8 now. That'll be a plus, right? That'll definitely be worth the price of what you're going to pay for something like this, But other than that, and the other thing is, yes, there's another piece here that is missing. Here, let me see if I have it over here. Okay, so let's check this out pretty quick. All right, guys, so this is basically what it is. So I'm gonna go ahead. So this is what it is. So this is pretty cool, and the reason why I think this adapter is cool, because you can charge your tablet or your phone with it. You can also use this as a charge bank to take with you when you're camping, because these batteries are smart batteries. So all you got to do is take this, guys, and just put it here, just like this, and then you can plug your USB there, which is come in handy, right? So if you didn't know, if you don't want to take your drone, you just want to take something like this, take 2 batteries. This thing will last you all week at a campsite to charge your tablet or your iPhone or your Android phone. So that's a plus. So the price on this thing costs, beside the cool, water resistant bag. I wouldn't say waterproof, but this is water resistant. If you dump this into you know, a water or something. Water might go into it. I don't know. But this is a very nice handy bag. This will withstand a storm. But just being submerged in water, I'm not sure how waterproof it is. So that's just something you got to consider. But it does come with the cool case, as you can see here. Now, here's the problem I have. If you're going to be paying the price of $399, now we're going to talk about it. That's the unboxing. I don't want to get into much detail on that, but we're going to talk about the accessories that you get. If you're going to pay $399, so basically it's $400 and plus, you know, with tax, so probably like $440, $450, somewhere around there. So if you're going to pay that much, I would expect DJI to give you 8 of these, all right, instead of just 4. So they should give you an extra 4 because it just makes sense because you're paying a lot of money. Okay, so that's that. And now, as far as the battery goes, this is fair because each battery is like, what, $149? But keep in mind, you can buy used batteries for cheaper. There is some on eBay, but you know, you can buy used stuff also. But buying used stuff, you got to check those batches, man, because sometimes those batteries are not good. So that's the only problem. But if you know what you're doing, you can pretty much get away by testing it out before you buy it, used stuff. So this is a plus. This is the stuff that I would pretty much keep. So the 2 batteries, this is worth it. This little adapter I talked about that you can charge your tablets or iPhone or Android phone, this is also worth keeping in the package that we're getting. The strap is, I'm not too worried about that because, you know, you can pretty much use any kind of strap, but it comes with it. So there's nothing wrong with this. I don't need it, okay? And at the same time, I've seen people try to sell their Mavic 2 straps for like $5, believe it or not, on OfferUp and Facebook Marketplace. $5, okay, if it's worth it. This here, the problem I have with this is, like I said, I like this, you know, for the fact that, you know, if you're coming home at night and you're finished flying your drone all day, you can just leave it and it'll charge it in sequence. Because I was hoping you would charge the thing and then it'll literally charge all of them at once, but it doesn't do that. So just keep in mind. So this will be good if you left it overnight, which is no problem, right? So to some of you guys, this will be a great accessory that you probably would need. But in reality, I don't need it because I have 2 Mavic Pro 2 charger. Okay, so I don't need that. Now this I do need, okay, because this is actually a rapid charger. So this charges your DJI Mavic 2 Pro or your Mavic 2 Zoom with the Fly More kit or combo kit for the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom. This will charge your battery pretty quick, probably like within 15 to 20 minutes. You should get a full charge off of this. So this is a plus. So this is the stuff that I would keep beside the booklet instruction. I know we don't read this, guys, but I'm telling you, if you do run into some issues with these accessories that it come with, it's always good to read up on it because, you know, you get to learn things that you didn't know. If you didn't know, now you know. Okay, so this I don't need. All the other stuff I don't need. I don't need the bag because I got a hard case, and I don't need this. So this is the only thing that I think that would be important, would be the mobile charger for the Mavic 2 Pro 2 or the Zoom, and the 2 batteries, and this, and this, and this. Now I've seen this piece at some of the flea markets and OfferUp for only $5-7. I'm not sure how much they go for retail, but you can buy this and these props right here for under $25. Just these 2, and then you can probably get this for $40 to $50 online, or probably even cheaper on eBay. These rapid chargers. The only thing that you would find expensive would probably be these batteries for 150. People might sell them for like 100. So for under $300, you can pretty much get all of this versus this plus tax if you buy used. But like again, I mentioned, you have to check those batches that you get, like the batteries and accessories. You have to make sure they're not broken or anything damaged with the smart battery. That's a plus, guys. So keep that in mind when you do buy used stuff. But, you know, is this worth buying? For all the other stuff, yes. But all the other stuff, no. It's not worth buying. So I wouldn't waste my money on this. I would just buy it individually as you gradually go throughout time. That is my personal advice, because for $400+ with tax, it's probably best you would invest in like the bigger controller, you know, the controller with the actual screen, the DJI, the Pro one. I would invest in something like that. I wouldn't waste my money on anything like this. You know, knowing that I can get this for way cheaper than what DJI offered. But that's the offer, that's the package they give you. And for under $300, I can probably get all of this if I just buy them used or online to get a better deal. So, having said that, guys, this is the review of the Mavic 2 Fly More kit. And was it worth it? Yeah, for these, but the price, no. I wouldn't waste my money on this at all. So, that's my personal opinion. All fighters from Tokos Reviews. Peace.